Good evening, friends. I'm Dr. Aajay Shah, bringing this another great live. Today, I have a very timely topic, and that's how to lose weight rapidly each month. I can assure you that based on my knowledge, my experience with many of my thousands of my patients, this approach is very simple, and I will explain you in less than 5 minutes how you can lose significant amount of weight every month and get to your ideal body weight. So let's talk about what you should eat. You should be eating mostly plant-based food. You should be eating whole food plant-based food. If you eat 1 pound of raw vegetables, 1 pound of cooked vegetables, 2 cups of beans, 1 to 2 servings of intact grain, either a whole wheat bread or brown rice, and 3 to 4 servings of fruit, and then you can add other animal products as you like. Minimize the animal products to less than 10% of your calories and minimize the processed food less than 10% of your calorie. So again, that's what you should eat. Whole food plant-based. You should also be exercising daily, 20 to 30 minutes of brisk walk, 20 to 30 minutes of weight training, either body weight or free weights, and 10 to 15 minutes of stress. Total about 30 to 45 minutes of exercise per day. You should be eating significant amount of water. Many of us are actually thirsty, but we think that we are hungry and we end up eating instead of drinking water. So I have made a habit of drinking 1 gallon of water every day. I know that's not the recommendation, but trust me, it works. 1 gallon of water every day. Definitely avoid any sugar. Sugar spikes your insulin, and when insulin is high, you cannot lose fat. Insulin is the hormone which promotes the fat deposits and fat production. Definitely avoid oil. Oil has a significant amount of calories. Actually, oil has a 4,000 calories per pound. So try to avoid oil. Also consider intermittent fasting, where you actually don't eat for 12 hours or more per day. Again, don't eat 12 hours or more per day. You should also consider water only fast 1 day a week. And you can easily do that on the weekend. So 1 day a week, water only fast. Definitely sleep 8 hours. People who sleep less than 5 to 6 hours, their appetite goes up and they end up eating very unhealthy food next day. So if you want to lose significant amount of weight per month, sleep 8 hours every night. Definitely eat at home. Food outside, both at fast food places and restaurants, have very high amount of fat, lot of processed food, lot of simple carb. So avoid eating at the restaurant as much as possible. If you are serious about losing weight, next 1 month, just eat at home. Cook whole food, plant-based meals at home and just eat at home. And I can assure you, you will drop significant amount of weight every month. And the last tip is meditate. Many of us have issue with emotional eating. When we are stressed out, we reach out for food. And I'm sure all of you have experienced reaching out for this ice cream or cookies when we are stressed out in the evening or when we are stressed out at work. If you meditate 20 minutes every day, your stress level will go down and you will prevent that stress-induced eating. So again, these are some simple tips, very short video. If you do this thing, I can assure you, you will start losing anywhere from 5 to 12 pounds per month. In 3 months, you can lose 25 to 30 pounds. A word of caution, if you start losing weight, you may have to cut down some of your medications, particularly medication for diabetes and high blood pressure. So always stay in touch with your doctor as you start this weight loss program. But let me explain you, let me assure you, let me almost guarantee you, if you follow these simple tips, you will lose significant amount of weight every month. I wish you the best. Ask me questions, ask me comments. This video will be on YouTube, so you can share with your friends. You can watch it again and again. Obviously, there are more things to do, but these are some simple tips. And I wish you the best in weight loss and getting to your ideal body weight. Thank you.